Okay, so this is the reading for the couple who are not in contact at all, and the person has rejected you or you have rejected them. There has been a radio silence since then because of the reason that there was lack of openness in the connection, that you guys weren't speaking the truth. What is the message right now in regards to your connection or situation currently is that the suggestion universe is giving you to keep the focus on yourself. Your healing is important at the moment. Nobody is going to be taking action towards the other because of your own fears of rejection. So it's better to work on your healing at the moment, work on your own nervous system that triggers when you are around that person. Sit with yourself and analyze. This could be specifically for the divine feminine energy around here. This message is going to be delivered to the divine feminine here. If you are currently in that energy, you could be embodying that energy currently. So what you need to be doing right now is being in this energy. What you need to be letting go at the moment is your attachment. You need to detach from this situation. You need to detach. You have been thinking about it so much that you are getting obsessed with the person, with the situations, overthinking about these things, and that is not actually helping you move forward in the connection. To move forward in the connection right now is important for you to take a step back, to detach from the situation and analyze your emotions. This is going to help you. This is going to bring you the signs that you are actually looking for in order to move forward in this connection, and that will help bring the balance, because both of you are currently in the state of running away from each other because of the things that has happened. So keeping up with your healing, keeping up with your journey, and analyzing what you could done wrong unintentionally or subconsciously to hurt the other person, when in fact you are actually hurting, you are actually projecting your own fears, should be the focus.